Gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome our next trainer for VP membership, distinguished Toastmaster Amjad Ali, current president of Bollywood Toastmasters Club. Welcome, Amjad Bhai.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Shanil, Master of Ceremony. Our Honorable Division B Director, Toastmaster Harish Krishnan, our Honorable Distinguished Toastmaster, Area 22 Director, Distinguished Toastmaster Shan, thank you so much for gracing me with this opportunity. Presidents, Vice Presidents, and other leaders of the club, good morning to each one of you. I'm feeling honored. Today, I'm able to share my knowledge, my experience of Toastmasters, and learn from you all. I would be requesting you to just pay a little attention. It's not about VP membership today. It's about your Toastmasters journey. It's just about making your base strong as VP membership. And tomorrow you are one of the presidents, one of the area directors, one of the division directors, district directors, international board of directors. You never know. But this is the base where you are going to make it stronger. Trust me, if you have made your role strong at club level, nobody can stop you become whatever you want to become in Toastmasters and outside Toastmasters. This is my challenge to you. Before I delve into my presentation, I just like to remind you the mission of Toastmasters. We provide a positive and supportive learning experience in which members are empowered to develop a communication and leadership skills, resulting in greater self-confidence and personal growth. There is a reason behind to reminding you this mission of Toastmasters. And also I would like to remind you 4 core values of Toastmasters, which will help you achieve your goal and deliver your role with due diligence. The number 1 is integrity, second one is respect, and third one is service, and fourth one is excellence. Why I'm reminding this one is not only to you, it's to me as well. Because when we remember these words, when we try to teach somebody, we also try to incorporate in our life if we are missing somehow in our life. That's why I always repeat and preach. So tomorrow I'm answerable to myself as well. Now let's go into VP membership role. VP membership is very, very important role. Why I'm saying it? Because if you are a VP membership, you are contributing 25% to the DCP points. 25%, 1/4, which is very important and integral. 2 points you achieve when you add 8 members in your course of time, 1 year's time. That means this is 20%. It's not something less. It's very important. And half point you get when you pay your membership fee on time. So this is become 25%. So my area directors, especially area director and division director, will agree this is very important role as president and VP education as well. So we need sheer attention for this very role. I'm sharing my slide with you all, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Are you able to see my slides? Anybody can confirm? You can open your mic and confirm if you can see my slides.
Yes, we can see.
Thank you so much.
We can see your slides, Mr. Amjad.
Yes. Thank you so much. Really appreciate. Really appreciate. All right. As you can see, this is not different than President and VP education slides. It's going to be somehow similar one. But the role of VP membership is very integral in Toastmasters Club. The next slide, as you have seen in previous slides, previous presentations, the role, responsibilities, and the resources, how you are going to cover. In this presentation, I will try to make sure I finish on time as well. We'll cover everything with my sheer knowledge as well. Because these slides are provided on Toastmasters International website. It's very simple to go and read. It's simple English and you can understand. You don't need anybody's guidance. You don't need me. But what I'm trying to tell you is share my personal experience. So the mistakes I have committed, you can avoid them. The experiences I have gained, you can learn from them. That's it. Nothing more than that. Other than that, you are best coach of your life. You are best coach of your leadership role. Ladies and gentlemen, in this session, the objectives we are going to cover is identify your role, why you are VP membership, and what is the importance. That's what I mentioned. You are a key role player of your respective club. Fulfill your responsibilities, how you can fulfill, because this is perhaps a first time role for you. You must have delivered some other role before or after this role. Like there are some secretary role, treasurer, sergeant at arms, or you have delivered as president or VP education and you are taking this role as next role. It's completely up to you. But the responsibilities of these roles are little different than other roles. Mind it, if you are not a VP membership of any of the clubs, trust me, unofficially, you are the VP membership of your club. I'm sure you are inviting your family members or guests to the clubs. And this is what VP membership does. And you are also meeting them, greeting them, telling them the benefits of Toastmasters. Unofficially, you are VP membership of the club. So one person takes the lead who is officially VP membership. Let me state one quote. Before that quote, I want to tell you all, you must have read one quote that build your empire, otherwise somebody else will hire you to build their. I have improvised this quote and made it one of mine, which says, if you cannot build, if you cannot help others to build their empires, you cannot build yours. Trust me. So today, if you are making this base of the club stronger, tomorrow, if you are leading as a president, an area director, or division director, you will have these people working under you are in the club. They will help you achieve your goals or build your empire. So right now we are in a position to help others build their empire with our shared responsibilities and due diligence. All right. Now the third one is find resources that help you. These are things we are going to cover in our slides. Next one is in VP membership responsibilities, there are 3 core areas: the club meetings, outside the club meetings, and the executive committee. In club meeting, how you are going to interact with members, how you are going to pretend or behave or act or react as VP membership. And second part is outside the club meetings as VP membership, how you're going to work. And in executive committee, which is consists of 7 members: president, VP education, VP membership, VP PR, secretary, treasurer, and sergeant at arms. How you're going to participate and contribute in that one. Next slide is the club meeting. In club meeting as well, we have 3 main areas: before the club meeting, upon arrival at club meetings, during club meeting. So these things we're going to cover, how you're going to behave as a good member and you can add value to the club. All right, before the club meeting, the very important point, make a list of new members. How you can get this list, by the way? As I mentioned, you are not the only one who are going to invite members. Maybe other members are also inviting their family members, or guests, or their friends. You can interact with them 1 or 2 days before. You can ask them. Nowadays, we are all connected on social media, especially on WhatsApp groups. Every club has WhatsApp group. You can interact with everyone, send them a message. Have you invited somebody in our club in coming meeting? After 2 days, after 1 day, after 5 days, after 7 days, they can send you, okay, I'm expecting one of my friends. and you can ask their number as well. And you can make a list of these people, and you can also follow up. As a VP membership, you will have more influence with members. Suppose you have collected list of 7 members, for example, and make a small group. This is my humble suggestion. Make a small WhatsApp group and greet them. Tell them, I'm expecting you as a VP membership of my club. Please come, and I will be looking forward to your participation and your presence. That person will feel personalized and overwhelmed, and the person will come and join you. And definitely that person will turn into a member very soon if he finds, as she finds, meeting a positive environment. The next one is have a few guest packets. I have never seen much in many of the clubs. This guest packet is created. No problem. Not necessarily we can do that, but if we do that, which is provided by Toastmasters International, if your club can afford, buy these accessories, these things, and give it to the members, our guests who are joining for the first time, or the second time, or the third time, give them, they will feel, yeah, I have received something, and they will feel nice, they will feel personalized, and they can fill these forms and share back to you as well. And they will convert as a member very soon, because now you have given them importance. This is one way of giving them importance. The third point is contact former guests and members who have not been attending meetings. For example, I have attended your club meetings, and that in that meeting, by any chance, I was not paid attention. I was not well entertained, or I did not really like the meeting, or anything can go wrong, or anything can go in my favor, or it's not in my favor perhaps. And I'm not coming back. It could be my job problem. It could be my timing problem. It could be something else. You can call that person, Amjad, what's wrong? Why are you not coming back to office? We liked you to be part of our meeting, and we loved when you were in a meeting. Why don't you just come back? And then I will explain why I did not come back. So if I will feel personalized, and I will come back for sure. So people do that. I have personally invited people, and they have come back, and they have named it. They said, I have just come back just because of Amjad. This is how we can make people feel special, and they can come back. So contacting guests is very important. It's not again VP membership's responsibility, it's all members' responsibility, but credit goes to VP membership. If that person is doing his or her job diligently, trust me, that person will be more influenced person in the club. So these are 3 areas which we need to focus on before the club meeting. The next part is upon arrival at club meeting. Now, member is already here, meeting is about to start, and you need to interact with people. Greet all guests and members. Every member of the club is, of course, greeting. I have seen people. That's the reason I'm a Toastmaster. I'm going to be Toastmaster forever in my life. When I was greeted well by the president, VP education, VP membership, any club member. So VP membership gets a credit. VP membership can go there. My name is Amjad Ali. I'm a VP membership of this club. And how may I help you? How did you find this club? Please feel comfortable. This is your club. This is made for you. So that person will feel, wow, man, this is something I was expecting in my life. And we are Toastmasters, we are a positive set of people. So this is what we need to make our guests feel, that they are felt like it's family. So this is what we can do when guest is arrived, and provide all guest packets as we have already discussed in the previous slide. If you have something, provide them, or any brochure. If not brochure, you must be receiving magazines of Toastmasters International. Give them one magazine, tell them this is gift for you. Something free, when we give it to somebody, no matter how rich you are, it feels good, and you are getting something from somebody. So give them a Toastmasters magazine, and that person will feel, yes, I am personalized. Next one is answer questions guests may have. For example, some person is welcomed or invited by somebody, and the person did not explain about Toastmasters. He just invited, or she just invited, just come and attend for 2 hours. See if it's for you and you feel comfortable, Tell them what is Toastmasters all about. Tell them the history of Toastmasters, 96 years. Tell them the values. Tell them why it has been in the existence for 96 years. So that person will feel, wow, man, 96 long years, about 100 years in 143 countries with the help of 16,500, 600, 700 plus minus clubs, with the help of 370,000 plus minus members. Wow, that person will feel, yes, this is what I want to join. I want to become. Tell them we communicate positively. We become leaders. We speak only positivity. We empower people. So then person will feel, yes, that is the place I was looking for my entire life. So these are the questions people may ask, and you can just bombard with your answers with positivity. Next one is after the club meeting. This is also something very important because we are Toastmasters, we are on duty 24/7. Meet with guests to answer questions. After the meeting is done, after the club meeting, or the person is even gone, if the person is in your contact, answer all these questions. How did you find the meeting? How is it? Did you find satisfied? Why didn't you participate? If you participated, how did you feel? How did you feel when people applauded for you? How did you feel when you spoke for 2 minutes at table topic session? So these are the things. It's just a matter of making somebody feel personalized. Trust me. When you ask somebody's name, if I ask Toastmaster Shanil, Toastmaster Shanil will feel, wow, somebody called my name. If I will say Toastmaster with blue shirt, no, that person will not feel good. But when I will call Toastmaster Shanil, distinguished Toastmaster Shan, they will feel, wow, my name is called, because your name is your identity. So this is how we can make our members, our guests, personalize and feel special. So they will definitely turn into a great member. The next one is invite guests to join the club. Of course, when meeting is adjourned, meeting is all finished, and now we have greeted our guests, they're going back, invite them back. Our next meeting is on that date. Please come back. We would love to see you again because you spoke very well. We want to learn from you. You are a professional. So we would love to learn from your profession as well, because you are going to speak about your profession, your passion. So these are the things we interact with people, and that person will definitely come back. Help guests complete the membership application. This is something you can offer if you have printed application, if you have a digital form. Nowadays we have digital forms. I always keep in my mobile, in my WhatsApp number, so I can, somebody asks, or if somebody does not ask, I just quickly share with them. I tell them, fill this information, your name, your beautiful name, your email address, your phone number, these things, just provide me and I will assist you the rest. No need to hurry. If you feel comfortable, this is the club for you, this fraternity is for you. It will empower you in your life. This is what I do. You can also practice these things. And next one is outside the club meeting. Conduct membership building programs. I have not much seen people doing it, but these things can be practiced. And I think these are going to be very much valuable for the clubs, areas, and district. Conduct membership building program. How we can do that? We can arrange small events, family events. I have seen some people, some clubs, they are very much family oriented clubs. They will make you feel so special. They will conduct, like every 3 months, they will have one event which is outside. They will call members, family members. So they will convert into their membership. These are the things are called as programs. So bring such people, convert them into a member. When a family member is converting into a member, they are actually more empowered. So one person is helping other person to continue this journey. End of the day, it's not about paying to Toastmasters. It's about you are paying something back to you. We are not paying anything big to Toastmasters, but we are paying to ourselves, actually, honestly speaking. This is me. I'm telling you my personal experience. And promote membership goals. Of course, how we can do that? This can happen only if we tell people how I got empowered in my life. Then people will feel, yes, this is something we need to work on. We need to bring more society members into our club so they can feel empowered. These things can be done. Promote membership building contest. Contest can be done, which is with other clubs. We can have outside contest with other platforms, either in companies. these things can be practiced, so people are converted into membership. So these contests can be done from the club side to other venues, like in corporate companies. So we can show them, showcase them, tell them, okay, this is how we do, this is what we practice, this is what we speak into Toastmasters, so they can convert it to members as well. They can become a club, or they can become a part of your club. Follow up on the keep track of guests. Follow up and keep track of the club. Of course, this is very important. If we don't keep in touch, like our customers, they are gone. There's somebody else who will get hold of them and take them to their club or their company. So following up is very important. How we can do that? Add them to your guest group, so they are greeted and they are already shared the link, the meeting invites automatically. I'm running short of time. I will just quickly wrap. Outside that meeting, build membership applications. Of course, this application we have discussed already. Assist the Vice President Public Relations. Vice President Public VPPR is a very important person for you, because he is managing the flyer. He is the face of the club. Help him, because he will be helping you to bring members or guests in your club. So having worked with VPPR is very important. He is actually your main player, your right hand. And ensure meeting information is correct. These are the normal things we all check. Link, password, if it's digital, our location, if it's physical, phone number, if it's mentioned, who to contact. These are the things very important. Club executive committee. Attend club executive committee is very important, because if you are not attending club executive committee, you are missing something very big. How come? Because president is meeting with area directors or division directors. At the same time, VP education, you're also one of the key player where you are going to vote, and you are the committee, executive committee member of area, the respective area your club is formed under. The next one is attend the vote and area council meeting. As I mentioned already, you are area council member. Arrange for your replacement of assistant. This is very important. Please, the next 2 points, arrange for your replacement of assistants, prepare your successor for office. Making sure before 6 months of your adjournment of your role, make sure somebody is working very closely to you, because that person can take over this role, and the person knows the blending, what to take, what to miss, what not to miss. All these things are very important. So making sure that succession plan is completely managed by VP membership, for VP membership role especially. I'm not talking about the entire XCOM, not the club, but this role especially. The next one is executive committee. Organize and conduct membership contest. We have already mentioned in our previous slides. Report on club membership. As what's going on, what is your discussion going on with members, our guests, making sure this is all shared in the group, in XCOM, so they are all informed, they are all on the same page, that RVP membership working on some sort of agenda. So this agenda is already organized and gelled with each other. Next one is how to furnish our responsibility. Just quickly lap him. I know I can see the red one right now. Just quickly, just in a minute. How, when, who, what. These things, and these 4 questions are very important questions. You will find in next 3 slides. Quickly, I'm going to read them. How will you fulfill this responsibility? When will each action be completed? Who is available to help you? What material and resources can you use? Quickly, just attend district sponsored club officer training, which is you're doing right now. This is very important, because this gets you a point. 2 meetings when you attend, you get 1 point, which is very important. Read material. Somebody mentioned read, and not only reading, practice as well. Meet with outgoing executive committee. Yes, it's just to bridge everything what you have done and what you're going to do in future. Meet with outgoing vice president membership. Yes, again, bridging. Meet with current executive committee. Again, bridging. This is very important. Invite one of 3 members to serve on membership committee. As you all know, when you are inviting people to committee, they will know what's going on. They are observers. So observers will become part of the committee in future. Conduct a member survey on moment of truth. This is very important. This is internal club matter. Bring somebody from outside, an educator. That person will conduct it, and He will ask you the questions, he will find the problems, he will find the concerns, and he will find the answers from you for you. So make sure your club is in a healthy hands and in healthy environment. Create guest welcome kit. If possible, you can do that. You can personalize it for
Baba,
your club and order any required
Baba,
material.
खाएंगे कुछ दवा छट रहा है नहीं on
Please mute somebody. Order any required material, if any. If you can do that. And these are the resources. Please go to Toastmasters International website. These are the links provided on Toastmasters International. Trust me, if you just read them, it will take not more than 1 hour for entire material, but it will add so much value in your life. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how I conclude. Let me tell you quickly, wrap up with my quote. You can never build your empire if you don't help others to build their empire. Please help others. Help your club, your president, your VP education, your club, your area director, your division director, your district director, because tomorrow you're going to reach to that position so people can work the way you have worked for them. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, DTM Amjad. Bye. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, give me a big round of applause, please. And let us move to the next segment. That is a very important role, VP PR, Vice President Public Relation. That's why we have a very important